Alright, so today we're going to make flan. Hope you enjoyed how to make it. Okay, so you're gonna want to preheat the oven to about 350 degrees. Alright, so now over on the stove we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm not sure. There we go. And I'm going to slice out about 2 tablespoons of butter. And add that to our sugar. So as you can tell, I've lowered the fire a lot significantly as to avoid any burning of the caramel. And you don't want any burnt caramel in your flan because, as you may know, burnt caramel tastes terrible. And if you burn the caramel, this flavor is going to go all in the flan. And once you see that it's starting to turn dark, do what I like to call the stretch test, which is you do a little bit of this, you tap it, you pull it up, and see if it makes a line. If it doesn't, you're not quite there yet. Come on. Almost. And with caramel, things can go from good to terrible very quickly. So make sure you're always stirring the caramel. Come on, buddy. You're almost there. And there we go. And with that, we're ready to move this caramel out of the heat and into another pan, which we're going to bake the flan in. And with your hot caramel, just start pouring it into the dish nice and evenly. About that much, and then move it over with the rest of the caramel. Try to pour it as evenly as you can. And now, once it's cooled off, you can give the stick off to any of your children to entertain them like I was when I was a kid, and still do as an adult. Now we'll just blend it until it comes out in even consistency. Blended all the yolks and had all the proteins whipped into a nice liquid consistency. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so while you're blending it, after you've added the sugar, add about a can of evaporated milk. Now that you've added the evaporated milk, add a can of condensed milk. It's your regular condensed milk that you would normally find in any store. Just add a whole can of it. Make sure you scrape as much as you can out. And if you can't get everything, that's fine. Alright, then you're going to add about a cup and quart of milk. Wash out the spoon a little. And then you're going to continue mixing. And now with the caramel in the pans and your blended egg batter, you're going to strain out any egg whites slowly. And then add the egg batter into the caramel. So now that we add our egg into our dishes, we're gonna move it into the oven where we already have a set of water trays that were in there to boil. If you haven't added it, it's okay. It's just to help it steam out when it's cooking. Now, into the oven it goes. Careful not to burn yourself. And now we're going to leave it in there. Alright, and now that we have it in there, there are the 2 water trays to help it steam. And we're going to leave it in there for about an hour. Alright, so after the hour is complete, go ahead and take the flan out of the oven. And let it cool off and then put it in the fridge. Alright, it's been a while and it's been cooling off for about an hour and it's about ready to eat. That's all for now.